And let's see what he's got here. It looks like James is going to be big time spin right there at that last right-hander just before the finish line. And this will not be his quickest time of the day. So Drew ends up James Duncan coming in with a 92.542, 92.542, about 7 seconds slower than his earlier run. So he will have one more time to see what he can do. Here comes Sean Alexander, and Sean Alexander gets under 80 seconds with a 79.245, 79.245. Sean moves into the trophies. He is currently in 9th spot overall on Bridgestone tires.
How well would his plastic dip hold up to a cone match?
I don't know yet. I'll let you know.
No, you won't.
Hopefully not.
You ready? Go. And Mark moves into 4th spot overall, and that just bumped Sean Alexander into 11th spot, one out of the trophies. So right now Mike Kavanaugh hanging on that final spot. Okay, we just heard that the food people are on site, and they will start serving food about 10:30. That'll be hot dogs, hamburgers, and all of the different things that they have. So we're about a half an hour away.